am Nichole Eisenhart. I'm from the DA's office. I am here with a grant proposal. So the VOCA grant is for direct services to victims and helps partially fund our victim witness department. The grant term itself is from October of 2023 to the end of September 2025. However, we only have a budget for year one because of uncertainty, and this uncertainty has kind of been going on for years. We haven't actually had any impact from it yet, but they have not yet released a budget for year two. So we were only allowed to input a budget for year one. The good news is the grant amount that we were awarded for Lebanon County, the $123,493, is the same as the last grant cycle. We had those same numbers per year, so that's a good steady amount. The budget itself is the same or pretty consistent with what we have done before. In terms of hours, we allow for overtime. That way, if advocates need to work more hours because of trials and victims being present, they're able to do that because it's built into the budget. This also covers the victim on-call advocate, the advocate on-call phone, and those sorts of things. We cover a portion of medical coverage for the advocates, as well as some training and supplies. There is a little uncertainty in the supplies, and I included in the budget an estimate as far as the replacement case management software, because it was only last week that we found out effective December the UCM program will not be working. If we sign a contract before the grant needs to be submitted, I would like to change that in the grant before it's submitted. Would you like me to represent, or does it not matter if it doesn't change the ultimate bottom line?
I would say we can stipulate that in the motion.
In the motion.
Okay.
That would be, covered either way.
Okay, that would be helpful, just because they're trying to find a new program, and hopefully we have that by the end of the month, and we won't know what it costs until we do that. But each of the grants will cover a portion of that software. I'll have to do a modification for the RASA VOJO, but we'll worry about that when it comes. So overall, the grant application and the budget that I've presented is very similar to what we've done in the last VOCA grant. No big purchases, just the UCM, the copier monthly fee, mobile hotspot, and the phone costs.
Okay.
I'll make a motion to approve the $123,493 VOCA grant for year one, with the stipulation that because of the UCM option being removed, there may be a change in vendor.
Second.
Thank you.
Does that cover it, Nichole?
Yes, that should be fine,
Okay.
just as long as I don't have to waste your time if I don't have to.
All right, any questions regarding the motion? Hearing none, all in favor, please indicate by saying aye.
Aye.
Aye. Opposed, same sign, so moved.
Thank you.
Thank you.
And then we did get the award notification for RASA VOJO. I wasn't sure if that was something that had to be presented at a meeting to be signed. It was the award for the grant that was previously approved. It just needs to be signed by someone.
We can accept a motion if we want to just make sure that that's covered. That'll be fine. We can do that right now.
Motion to approve that.
Second.
And then if you just want to go into a little bit of what you're, a little more depth.
So the RASA VOJO grant is a grant that had been awarded for 2023 and 2024. This one runs calendar year to calendar year. We got notification at the beginning of this month, after the grant term already started, that we finally were approved for that. So in total, we get $172,000 for RASA and approximately $60,000 in VOJO. RASA is procedural services for adult victims. VOJO is all services for juvenile victims. So once they finally give us the notification that we got our grant, we have to basically sign accepting that, which we've already applied for the grant.
We're
so
inclined to accept it.
yes, I would hope so. So yeah, it just needs to be signed by someone from the commissioners, and then we send that back. I included that with the stuff I sent Dawn.
Okay.
Yeah.
Motion? Motion?
Motion to approve.
Second.
Okay, I'm sorry, maybe we already did
Yeah.
that. Yeah, sorry. Any questions regarding the motion for Nichole? If not, all in favor of accepting this grant?
Aye.
Please say aye.
Aye.
Opposed, same sign, so moved.
Thank you. And do
You're
you need me to leave copies, or are you good? No, good. Okay.
Thanks.
Thank you all.
Thank you.